What's up, Warriors? It's Ninja Warrior back at it again with another video. Yep, it's raining. Can't really see it, but look. Yep, you can hear it, but you can't see it. Oh, well, I'm not getting wet because I'm under this, so. I like being in the rain, but luckily, I don't want to get sick. Get out, chicken. Look at them birds getting wet. You could wear my my shit. Okay, guys. You know that FIFA blog I did, I think 2 days ago? I uploaded it. Yeah, I tried to make it better, guys, but I couldn't because I tried to crop it, you know? But I couldn't because, it didn't let me. I tried to make it, better, but it didn't let me, so I had to upload it like I was recording. Yeah. Meet you guys inside. You go where mine. Wait. Jeez. Okay, guys. Well. You know what? I think it was better outside. Let's go. You can wear mine. I'm just kidding. No, bro. I think it was better outside. Yeah, I feel like it was better out here. Even though I'm not gonna get wet. I don't want to. Plus, I have you guys. With you guys. I'm just kidding. What was that? Guys, go check out my Musical.ly. Brian Little Soul. Least, but Soul. It was too long. Oh my god, I can't say, should I stay outside? Should I go inside? Look, guys, it's raining. It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Don't even ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Oh, that was ugly. I'm just kidding. If it's raining tacos, that'd be so amazing. And burritos. I mean, I'll probably hurt when they fall on your freaking head. But, jeez. I'll be so dope. Okay, guys. Tacos. Don't even. That's why. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Well. I don't know. Just need a open popsicle. Blind?
No, it's because I'm seeing you.
Yeah.
But not so fast. It's big sister rescue. Look, it's a brave 8-year-old racing gas kidnapper. She won't let him get away with her baby brother. And not far behind, her 10-year-old brother, also in hot pursuit. He's still got the baby stroller. Now the Wright kids, yep, their last name is actually Wright, are being credited with doing the right thing by thwarting the kidnapping of their little brother. It happened in the small town of Sprague, Washington. Population just 500. 8-year-old Felicia and 10-year-old Brendan were playing in a park near their babysitter's house. With them, baby brother Owen, who's just 22 months old. The kidnapper grabbed little Owen and took off. A surveillance camera outside a grocery store captured him trying to come here, running down the street. He almost looked like Frankenstein.
Así es como hablamos con él.
Followed the real-life monster.
Oh, sure.
It really turned into blood for me.
Got brother Lenny.
He's running down an alleyway with the kid. Things don't look right.
A man died by the 2-year-old baby child and a 30-year-old when the kid started screaming.
Kathleen Beatty, the first
Okay, guys. Well,
Making a racket is exactly what we can do in
it's another short blog. I'm not keep doing short blogs, but fuck, I can't talk. Cool, get that one. Peace out, warriors.